So, guys, today I am again with you, and today I am going to show you some basic thing. But my subscriber, the people who watch my videos, they ask me, so I'm going to make a video. So, guys, the first thing, one of my subscriber asked me, yani his age, I think, is 12 or 13 years old, and he asked me about the application and software from where we can download the application or the software in the laptop, like we download or install the applications or games or whatever on mobile from Play Store. So how can we download here on the computer? Because on Google there are some things you have to search too many times, and after that you find the okay, this is the correct one, or sometime you are afraid to download or install the things from the website because of the viruses or because of the any hacking or this thing. So today I am going to show you the simple basic steps what you will use inside your Windows. Yani no need to go any of the website or any of the um, application or software on the Google. No need to search there. You will search on your laptop. Okay, so let's start. Uh, Suppose we have to search Facebook, WhatsApp, or any of the software what you want. So you can find these softwares or application on your laptop. What you have to do, the first thing you have to search Microsoft Store. When you write Microsoft, so you will see there is the Microsoft Store, and here you will find this type of screen, and here you will find the search box. Here you can write whatever you want. Suppose I need Facebook. Okay, so you can see now there is Facebook Messenger or whatever related from the Facebook, everything is here. I click on this Facebook application, and you can see now it will show here the Facebook. You will find the get option like in mobiles, in Apple, or different Google Store or Play Store or Apple Store. So once you click on the get, you will download the application on your computer. Okay, you can see now it's getting ready and it's checking everything. So the main thing, you will not be worried about hacking system because you are using the website from outside, from Google or from any of the website, because nowadays there are too many hacking strategies or many things. So now you can see there we have downloaded this Facebook, and you can see you can open from there, or you can search in your window, yani in the start button. And what you will do, click if you don't see the Facebook on your desktop, so you can go there and you can click the start button, and you can search where is the new application what you install it. You will just drag and drop here, so you will see the Facebook in your desktop. So this is the easiest way, and you can install and download different types of applications. Yes, you can install the games. There is a separate section on the left hand side, gaming. You can click on it, and you will find many of the games. You can see in some of the games you will see the prices. So this is the paid games, and if you see there are some games are free what you can download, and play. So this is another way to install and download the softwares or games. Okay, some games or the software application, if you don't find it, so I will give you some authentic websites from where you can download these games. Okay, for this you can open your browser. I will give you some authentic website from where you can download the software and the application. So the first website you can download, it's Softonic. Okay, you can see Softonic application download, or you can search on Google this application. Okay, so you can download any of the application from here. The top application what the people use mostly, you will find here. If you want some specific website, you can search here. Suppose I write here VLC. Okay, so you can see now there is VLC is available and you can download on Google. If you will download, so it will download in your computer, and after that you have to install on your computer. You have to run the exe file. Okay, if you search from the website from the Google. But if you download the any of the game or the software from the Microsoft Store, so no need for exe or anything. Just you search the software and press on get, so it will install it. Okay, again, if you will install, you will search on Google, or you will install any of the application or software from the internet. First it will download on your computer, and then you will see where is the exe file in that software, and that file you will run and it will install on your computer. Okay, so now the other website, it's I write here again, File Hippo. This website I am writing here, but you can search on Google. So this will come. So this is the same thing. You can see there are some of the common softwares, and if you want to search again some of the software um, what you don't have in this website, now it's not showing, so you can search here. Okay, now okay, again I search this VLC. Now here you see there is the download option, and but in some of the applications it gives you 64-bit and 32 bits. So what is 32 bits and 64 bit? Basically this is your operating system, which operating system you have on your computer. So how you can find out which operating system you have on your computer? This is the very easiest way. Just go to this PC or my PC, right click, go to properties, and here you will find your laptop or your desktop is 64-bit or 32-bit. Like my laptop is 64-bit, so it's better you download the 64-bit. Okay, there's a little difference in 64-bit and 32-bit, but it's better. It will work properly and perfect if you will choose the operating system what you are using. One of the software, I have another video you can check in my channel. uh, Most of the softwares and application install in the same way, so it's not a difficult task. So if you have any question, any inquiry, you can ask me in comments. And so next video, inshallah, I will check the comments, and I will check the messages what I received on daily basis. So what my basically I sort out which application or which topic my subscriber or the people want to know. So after that I make the video. Okay guys, so till the next video, take care, bye.